Hi guys! So for this vlog, I will tell you how I plant seeds. Now, here are the things that you need. First one, your planting medium. I prefer using vermicast to plant my seedlings. Next one, of course, your seeds. And here are the organic seeds that I got from Bureau of Plant Industries in Los Banos. Next, a seedling tray and gloves. A seedling tray is where I plant my seedlings. I use it to avoid wasting soil and pots. It is also more efficient in planting because you can choose which seedlings to uproot or to continue to grow. Here, I am slightly poking the soil to give space for the seeds. So una kong ipaplant are Lola Rosa seeds, which is a variety of lettuce. Usually, sa mga green leafy vegetables, I put 2 to 3 seeds in one hole. So next kong ipaplant are these organic tomato seeds. For tomatoes naman and eggplants, I just put 1 seed per hole. Next is mini romaine lettuce. Next one is my favorite, kale. Of course, we also need water, but in a spray bottle. Why? Kasi the seeds are very delicate and we don't want to put so much water pressure on them, like if you're using a watering can. We don't want the seeds to move so much in the soil, so we want to add water as gentle as possible. Now, I'll be planting seeds that you can directly plant to your pots like okra, sitaw, ampalaya, etc. For this, you'll be needing pots or poly bags like this one. I-make sure nyo lang that your pots and your bags have holes. Here, I am mixing my soil with 50% potting soil and 50% vermicast. Now, I'm making holes to sow my sitaw seeds. I planted 4 para pwede ko ipamigay yung ibang seedlings. I did the same thing with the ampalaya seeds. mas malaki and mas thicker yung sitaw and ampalaya seeds, you can use a watering can to water them. Also, sobrang importante na i-water yung pots thoroughly para mas compact ng konti yung soil. Yun kasi yung pagkakapitan ng roots ng seeds niyo. After a week or so, ganito dapat yung itsura ng seeds nyo. You'll notice that not all seeds will germinate, and that's normal. That's why we want to sow more seeds so we can have more chances of successful seeds. Just want to say again that I am not an expert in gardening. How I do my gardening is based on the things that I've learned so far. So that's it, and thank you for watching.